Good evening and welcome to our sixth form open evening at Broedern. Thank you for attending, and I hope that you will leave this evening more informed about what your child will need to consider before next September. After the presentation, I hope that you will feel more confident in supporting your child with the decisions they will face during the next few months. Since the sixth form was established, one of our main aims was setting high standards from the beginning. We are proud of our students' excellent behaviour as a school, and our elder students have always been fantastic. Respecting the Welsh ethos of the school is very important at Broedern, and the sixth form contribution is essential as they are role models for our younger children. We are still a relatively small school, and as a result our sixth form teaching classes are smaller compared to colleges and other schools. There is a good relationship between our students and teaching staff, and this means that the students' progress academically is in a supportive environment. The students' well-being is our main concern at Broedern, but we also encourage that all students do their best at all times in school. At times, some students need that extra push to work on their studies independently during their non-contact hours. Pastoral support and educational challenge is guaranteed for each individual. We have an excellent relationship with our Broedern families, and this is more apparent again in the sixth form. We have an open door policy, and we are more than happy for anyone to contact us with any questions, concerns at any time. We have excellent resources in the school, and we have a clear understanding of our students' needs, strengths and weaknesses before they start in Key Stage 5. At the moment, there are around 140 students with us in the sixth form, and we are very proud of each and every one of them and the subject choices we have on offer here at Broedern. Therefore, what are the possible courses your children can choose to study at sixth form level? It is possible to study AS level courses, vocational courses and level 3 BTEC courses here, or a combination of courses along with the Welsh BAc, which is compulsory. Students usually study 3 subjects and the BAc in Year 12, but if a student is keen and able to study 4 subjects and the BAc, we will need to discuss this with all students individually. Students are usually in the sixth form for 2 years. In Year 12, they complete their AS qualifications before going on to Year 13 to complete the full A-level course. It is essential that all students work from the beginning of their journey in Year 12, as the Year 12 examinations contribute towards the final grade. The qualification is usually split into 40% contribution in Year 12 and a 60% contribution in Year 13, but there are some subjects which are evenly split over both years, being 50% per year. As a result, 100% effort is a must from the start. Studying at sixth form is quite a task, and therefore students must reach our entry requirements in order to be able to proceed onto level 3 or AS courses. Students are required to gain 5 C GCSE grades at least. If your son or daughter has not achieved these results, we will do everything possible to support all students to secure a suitable path. We have a few level 2 courses in the sixth form. These are equivalent to GCSE courses. If these are an option for your son or daughter, we will be discussing with the appropriate students and families. In order to support our students with their subject option choices, there will be an opportunity at the end of the presentation for you to learn more about our subject course content and hear from our subject leaders about what is on offer in their departments. We will also be hosting a returning to Broedern Bro Plas Taf Taster Day in June, where all students will have an opportunity in sampling Year 12 lessons, as well as our partnership subjects at Glantaf and Plas Mawr. Year 11 students will not be required to make their final decisions until they receive their GCSE results in August. There will be an opportunity on the day to discuss option choices, but there will also be an option to attend the support clinic the day after results day. If for any reason that you won't be around during these days, your son or daughter will be able to remotely submit their choices. At the beginning of the autumn term in 2022, there will be an official induction day for Year 12. We are extremely proud of our sixth form students' achievements this far. As you can see, 75% of our students gained A star to C grades in 2019, with 99% of our students achieving A star to E grades. In 2021, 86% achieved A star to C grades, with 99% achieving A star to E grade. On top of this, all students managed to reach their ALPS grade, which is quite an achievement. The performance measures indicate that the school is a high-performing school according to external data. In order to succeed in the sixth form, we encourage all students to study subjects they enjoy. It is also essential that all students have the potential to succeed on a course they wish to study. Choose carefully and wisely by choosing your strongest subject, your best GCSE results. When starting in the sixth form, all students will be members of a new registration class. There will be no need for students to attend registration sessions every morning, but they will need to attend registration on a rota basis. Each student will need to sign in and out when they're arriving and leaving school at reception. Students are required to attend their Year 12 assembly every 2 weeks, and there will be regular mentoring meetings that they will need to attend. Each student will be able to follow their timetables, track their progress, achievement, and homework through class charts. All students can travel to school on the school bus, or they can use the public Cardiff buses. Whatever form of transport they choose, they will need to pay for their travel cost. Post-16 students are able to gain a student's discount once they have paid for their post-16 bus pass and sent in their registration form. Mrs Rees-Roberts, our sixth form learning coach, meets all students every half term. There is also a mentoring meeting with myself and the sixth form pastoral team. We track all the students' progress in the sixth form, and families will be able to monitor students' progress by accessing interim reports via class charts during the Year 12 Parents' Evening and annual progress report. We use 2 tracking systems in the sixth form, ALPS, which is a national measure, and we also use SMID internally. As you are aware, there is a different uniform for our sixth form students, and we expect all students to follow the school rules as listed on the screen. As previously noted, the students' curriculum choices are expanded through the Bro Plas Taf partnership. This ensures a progression for their 14 to 19 education and training. Transport is arranged for the partnership courses from Broedern and back, first thing in the morning, at break times and at lunchtime. The partnership extends the provision and curricular opportunities for pupils without impact on the quality of provision across all Welsh secondary schools in our city. The partnership subjects on offer are as follows. At Glantaf, students are able to study music, tourism and politics. At Plas Mawr, students may study music technology, vocational business, IT, public services and Spanish. As well as our traditional A-level subjects, we also offer a Level 3 diploma in children's care, education and development. This course means the students are in school for 2 days and on placement at a nursery or primary school for 2 days. This course is equivalent to A-levels. Alongside the diploma, an A-level can be studied in health and social care, making the full course equivalent to 3 A-levels. We hold very high expectation for our sixth form students at Broedern. They are an example to our younger learners. We're very proud of the high standards that our sixth form learners set each day. A wide range of extracurricular activities is on offer for our students at Broedern. They have the chance to run to be head pupils, to attend Glan Llyn and Llangranog, to support during the Eisteddfod and Sports Day, to arrange and lead whole school extracurricular activities. They may also have the opportunity to fundraise towards charities, to accumulate volunteer hours while volunteering towards their back project, to complete the Duke of Edinburgh Award. We also provide opportunities for the sixth form to improve the experience at school through being part of the school council, the school senedd or the wellbeing forum. Educational Maintenance Allowance, or EMA, is financial support to support students from low-income households who wish to pursue further education. This is a grant paid depending on household income. Students can claim £10, £20 or £30 per week depending on the household income. To be eligible for the grant, students must be studying academic or vocational courses up to and including level 3 and full-time at school. The household income must be £20,817 or less if they are the only child in the household. Household income must be £23,077 or less if there are additional young people studying full-time and eligible for child benefit in the household. In order to receive the maintenance allowance, it is the student's responsibility to attend every registration session, lesson and complete work. Parents must sign the EMA contract after they are accepted on the scheme. The school contact for EMA is Miss Sian Davis, the school attendance officer. When applying to study at university, the school has close connections with universities including Oxford, Cardiff University, Bangor University, Aberystwyth University, the University of South Wales and St Albans Universities. While applying, the school and external guidance and support is offered throughout the process. Students and teachers know each other well, and this is often found to be very beneficial to our students. The Edern programme is available for more able and talented pupils, which offers a plethora of experiences for our young people. We are able to help students to find and apply for various scholarships when applying for further study, including scholarships offered by the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, which offers scholarships to students wishing to pursue courses or parts of courses for the Welsh language. Careers Wales supports students in school who wish to follow various pathways after their time at the sixth form. To help our learners prepare for their next steps after the sixth form, we're regularly visited by guest speakers at school who represent a variety of jobs. University visits are organised. Our students are given the opportunity to attend open days and subject taster days, as well as we have visits from numerous universities. For learners perhaps not intending to attend university, advice on apprenticeships can also be given. Our sixth form students are given the opportunity to attend a wide range of subject-specific webinars to give them a good idea of the different jobs available and how to make themselves good candidates for these courses and jobs in the future, as well as the opportunity offered to learners following the Edern network. To find out more about the wide range of courses and the exciting opportunities available to sixth form students at Broedern, go to the sixth form website, which could be found by a link on the Broedern website, broedern.cymru. This will then lead you on to the sixth form website. Thank you very much for listening. Diolch yn fawr am wrando.